Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. Finally, finally, BTC hits, what was it? Let me check here. 104K, bro. 104K. That's way higher than I was predicting, but it doesn't take away that we made 1200% in the group. Congratulations to the guys who followed. You know, I also want to thank the new guys who joined the group. You're very welcome. We're gonna make a very nice time of it. We're gonna make a lot of profits. So you know it's crazy, to be honest. I was predicting this giant pumpage for BTC like 4 days ago. If you watch my previous video, you can see how I did it. Actually, it played out completely how I was thinking it was playing out, right? So you know but what's next? What's next for BTC? That's the question, because we are in price discovery area again. And one thing I've learned is that it's very difficult to predict where price will go when once you are at all-time high, right? So as that said, I always trust my TA. I always trust the things I do these days now, because a lot of you guys already know I trade for a living, so I just trade and I live. So I don't have any backup. So the thing is, once you have a model and once you trust it, there's no other option than your model, right? Especially when it comes to trading for a living. I cannot change my model. I trust this model. And the thing is, we're now in price discovery area, so I'm aiming for Fibonacci. That's the only thing I can do. Sometimes I check Bookmap, to check where liquidity is, but it's still all based on Fibonacci, right? So the thing is, I've learned from the past is that I'm be careful with going too short in a short position once we are at price discovery area, right? So I want to show you guys some TA about BTC, what actually happened, and where I think we will go for the next days, right? So as that said, let's go to the chart. As you guys can see, we're watching at BTC to USDT perpetual futures contract again, and yeah, you can see this crazy pumpage for BTC, right? So actually, we entered in the group, we entered here. I entered my long position here for this crazy ride to the upside, right? This was yeah, we trade on 200x, so this is 2000%, but I took profit at 1200%, so that was somewhere here, right? So I missed the last pumpage, but okay, I'm grateful. One thing I've learned with trading is that once you trade for a living, you have to understand that you need to take profit, right? Take profit. Greed is your biggest enemy. So for the guys who don't know, I own a group. It's called Crypto Gainers. You can join it for free. I post 3 free signals every week for free for you guys. That are also the trades I take myself. If you want to receive this kind of trades on a daily basis, then you can upgrade to the premium channel. And if you really want to change your life and you want to learn leverage trading and you want to learn my model and all the basics that comes with trading, then I provide one-on-one mentorship in my leverage mastery. So as that said, guys, what actually happened here is when you go to the daily, let's remove this this RSI here. So what you actually can see here now is that if you watch my previous videos, also we hit it this 786 here, right, on the daily. So the candle closes perfectly on the 786 here. So what happened after that is we created this giant swing high, right, to somewhere here. And here I knew that we will see more upside for BTC. And why is that? Because when you pull this fib bearish, you can see that we didn't respect the 786 here, right? Yeah, a little bit. It created a sort of swing low here. And to be honest, I was patient, for this right up. I waited for this right up for 3 days or so. And you can see how crazy respected the 786 was, right? So we entered here on the 786 to catch this ride to the upside. So easy as that. That's how it is, just that's how I do it, less indicators, Fibonacci, the RSI, neutral colors in my charts, sometimes the VRVP, sometimes Bookmap, and that's it, and patience. Patience is the most important thing, with patience I made the most money, and for the guys who don't know, I also made a video about scalping. It's very interesting video also to watch, right? It's actually how I play my model on a lower time frame. For example, the 1 minute. You can scalp on the 3 or the 5, but I like to scalp on the 1 minute because it's exciting, and you're constantly busy with the chart, right? But for example, this trade here on the 15, it was a crazy trade, I can tell you that. You see how nicely the 786 here is respected, and we entered here on the group. Let me check where it is. Yeah, this one here. Crazy. It ripped off immediately, and it was yesterday. So again, congratulations to the guys in the group who followed the signal, crazy gains. And again, I'm very grateful that BTC is at 102.5K at the moment. Again, it's very difficult to say where we go now, but the only thing we can do is we can pull our fibs on. We can pull our fibs here, right? So the only thing we can do is we can aim for Fibonacci on the positive number. So what I actually did here, when was it? On the daily, I think. On the daily, I pulled my fib from this, this swing high here. This swing high to the top of the wick. And then you can see it almost hit the 200, right? Because when I pulled my fib here, we didn't have this price action yet. So, as you guys can see now, it actually played out crazy. I played on safe. I took my profits at 100.2K. So that's a 1200% actually. Let me check here. 6%, I thought. Yeah, 6% here, 1200. Let's say 1400, but I made 1200%. So guys, as I said, if you want to level up your trading, go to my website cryptogainers.nl, fill in the free form on the free form page, and you will receive a link to the Discord group, and you're very welcome. And again, welcome to the new guys. We're gonna make a very nice time of it. So for now, guys, I'm expecting BTC to rip up one more time. It's very difficult to say where we go, right? But you can see this crazy fair value gap here, right? So yeah, there's a possibility that we will see 107K. Is there something where we can see more? 15. Let's go to the daily. I trust the daily so much. Let's see what the daily is saying. Yeah, the daily is also saying somewhere around 108, 109K. So yeah, there's a possibility that we will see more upside for BTC. Be careful with buying these stops, just be patient, because there's a possibility that we will see downside for BTC at the moment. As you can see, we have a bearish divergence here on the 15. Excuse me. We have a bearish divergence here on the 50-minute. So yeah, just be careful. As I also told you guys on my TA on XRP, it was forming a bull flag. It failed as I predicted, and now it's crazy down, right? So we can check XRP, right? So I made a video here, and after the video, they started dumping. They created one liquidity sweep, and now, yeah, we're in bearish order flow. So again, you know, XRP, be careful. You know, a lot of big banks and the governments are in this shit. You know, are in this thing. Excuse me. And there's a possibility that they rug pull everything, right? A lot of analysts also saying that it's dangerous to invest in XRP. So as that said, guys, you know, BTC 109k somewhere. Careful with long positions. There are bearish signs here on the 50-minute. So I keep you guys updated. When I see something more about BTC, then I will post a new video. For now, thank you for watching. If you like my content, please like it. If you want to see more, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I see you in my next video. See you later.